Here's some units I've never seen before. They look to be made by Lennox. Uh, 2005, it's a 2.5 ton CCU10 model. Never seen these before. Copeland recip, of course. Same thing. Figured I'd get a video of these. Hacked up fan motor. Same with this one. There's also a Armstrong Aire right here. Oh wait. This one's not a heat pump. I thought it was a heat pump for a sec. 2011 3.5 ton. Yeah, I figured I'd get a video of those real quick because I've never seen them before. So anyways, thanks for watching.